so we'll do question 1. Robert earns 25,000 and he pays tax at a standard rate of 20%. So you have to find out, calculate his tax payable. So you just multiply by, and you can multiply by 20% in the calculator. Yeah. Or you can multiply it by what? 0.2. Or you can multiply it by a fifth. So 25,000 times 0.2. Alright, so 5,000 in tax. Assuming that he doesn't pay any tax credits. Alright, that's question number 1. Just try and look up one. We'll look at question 2. Angela earns 46,000 per annum and pays tax rate of 22.5%. She has tax credits of 2,600. So this time you have to take tax credits into account. So 46,000 and our tax rate is 22.5%. Well, you go on your calculators and figure out 22.5% of 46,000. 10,350. And instead of multiplying it by 22.5%, you can multiply it by, move the decimal point, change it to a decimal, percentage to a decimal, 2 places to the left. Multiply it by 0.225. And it is 10,350. And then in the question it says she has tax credits. So what do you do with tax credits? This is the tax. No, you always, once you calculate the tax, 2354, sorry, the wrong one, 26. You subtract. Tax credits is money that's you don't have to pay tax. Alright, so it's 10. I'll just double check. Alright, so your tax that you actually pay is 7750 tax. They were credits. Alright, so that's the tax that you pay. How much money does she take home now? Minus 7750. Alright, so now she takes home 38250. Alright? That's how much money she takes home. So remember, you take 46,000, you get 22.5% of it. This is gross tax. Subtract your tax credits to get your next net tax and take that away from 46,000. Alright, we'll do question 3 as well. Question 3. Shane earns 41,500. He pays a tax rate of 22%. Or you can multiply it by 0.22. Same thing. And multiply those. 41500 times 0.22. Pays tax 9130. His tax credits are 2340. So it's tax you don't have to pay. Minus 2340. So the tax that he does have to pay now is 6790. The tax that he does have to pay. So how do you find out how much money he takes home?
34,700.
Okay. 6790. What'd you say? 34,000?
34,700.
Right.